with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering negativity.
The Oppo Find X8s Plus is a next-level flagship phone that comes with many features. As I mentioned yesterday, today I will share the unboxing, first impressions, and comparison of the Oppo Find X8s. I will also talk about one outstanding feature of this phone. This video was shared by my tech partner, so a big thanks to them. My name is Maiky, and you are watching Tech Maiky. So let's start with the unboxing. First, let's remove the plastic from the Oppo Find X8s Plus box. The box contents are the same as what you get with the Oppo Find X8s. I already uploaded the unboxing video for that yesterday, so you can check it out. Now let's remove the plastic from the phone. The Find X8s also comes with a flat screen. Here, the phone is in a purple color variant, but it is also available in black and white color options. The phone features a classic rounded camera module with 3 camera sensors. In the center, you get Hasselblad branding, and the LED flash is positioned at the top left. There are some design changes as well. The antenna lines are now in a symmetrical strip. The volume rocker and power button are placed on the right side. Like the iPhone 16 series, this phone also has a special function button, which was previously used for mode switching in the Find X8 series. This time, there are also some differences in its functionality. Compared to the Find X8, the purple color on the X8s Plus is darker this time, which I find fresher and more appealing. Let me know in the comments which purple shade you prefer. Now, let's compare it with the iPhone 16 Pro. You can see the bezel sizes of both phones. The iPhone seems to have slightly thicker bezels because the iPhone 16 Pro has 1.41mm bezels on the top and bottom. However, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has even thinner bezels at just 1.15mm. The bezels on the Find X8s Plus also look quite slim. The Oppo Find X8s Plus features a 6.59-inch AMOLED display, and the first look of the display feels quite immersive. Talking about the camera specs, the phone has a triple rear camera setup. It includes a 50MP2 main camera with the L-Lite T700 sensor, a 50MP2 secondary camera with the Samsung JN5 sensor, and a 50MP L-Lite T600 periscope telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. As I mentioned earlier, this phone has an outstanding feature. It comes with a spectrum camera sensor, which is found in very few phones. This sensor takes night photography to the next level, enhances portrait shots, improves color accuracy, and delivers natural skin tones in photos. So friends, in this video, I'm only sharing the first impressions of the Find X8s Plus. The detailed review will be out on April 10 after the phone launches. In that review, we will cover gaming tests, performance tests, battery tests, and an in-depth camera test. To be the first to watch the review video, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. Friends, tomorrow I'll be unboxing and reviewing the iQOO Z10, which is set to launch on April 11. This phone will be a king of battery endurance, and I'll be uploading its detailed review, so stay connected with our channel. If you've watched the video till here, don't forget to comment. Your feedback helps me create even better and more informative videos. So friends, see you in the next latest tech update. Until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.
Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing.